It's unboxing time again, and let's see what's in this new parcel from Free League. Aha, it's Vaesen. Here's our lovely set of Vaesen dice, kind of bone coloured here, very nice. Let's go, I'm going to get these out straight away, if I can. I like these, just 6 dice in this packet, which might not appear to be great value for money, but they are Q Workshop dice, and so better than the cheaper dice that the guys at Free League made for Alien. Feel nice in the hand. I'm very happy with those, and they have a nice ring to them. Ring, knock. Slim pack of cards for Vaesen. Let's have a look at that. Now you see, other people do more fabulous unboxings, but I'm just eager to get it done, so you get it raw with me. Very thin pack of cards. Don't know so much about this. Sometimes I feel there's a point to cards, sometimes less so. But we have got initiative here. Initiative so far in my games hasn't been a massive thing, but there we go. Numbered 1 to I'm guessing 10, and then some nice kind of almost like collector cards of the various Vaesen. Let me just have a quick flick through, see if there's anything here that I wasn't expecting. Mermaids, the neck, no, nothing at all that I wasn't expecting. Okay, and then here are some books. So a couple of things in here, one of which is the Wicked Secret Book of Adventures, which is lovely. And you'll notice this is in the sort of larger, more, or shall we say traditional in the West size, not the Swedish traditional size, which has its attractions. And this is a lovely, lovely, what do they call it? Game Master screen, which has got actually a creature from the Vaesen art book that doesn't feature in the game so far, at least, but is a very beautiful, I think it's called a lake wife in English translation, something like a srora or something in Swedish, but forgive me my terrible Swedish pronunciation. It looks lovely, and it's interesting. I've seen one of these where that is in Swedish and this is in English. Anyway, and my one of our patrons got this yesterday. His came in Swedish on the outside but English on the inside. Mine's English on the inside as well, but in English on the outside. Interesting. We also have a map of the Mythic North. Let me just have a quick look at this. Uppsala on one side and all of Scandinavia on the other side. And looking at some of the railway lines here. Anyway, that's nice to see. And just show you some of the adventures in here without wanting to spoil them. I particularly like this one at the front because it's about herring. And then I went for the Lindworm edition, so I believe that's the deluxe version of the Vaesen book with a cloth cover. Gorgeous. And just to show you, give me a moment. So the reason I wanted to get the Lindworm edition is I wanted something that matched roughly the original art book, which is these two. So very nice. Let's have a quick flick through this one, shall we? Always choices of paper. This feels slightly traditional in its putting together. Not glossy, matte paper on the inside, but gorgeous. Nice bookmark. Nice illustrations. Very nice indeed. Very happy with this. Excellent. And that is the end of our unboxing.